Welcome back to another episode of making fish head with another kind of vegetable, that is cabbage. And it is so tasty that almost every day or every week a Bengali guy will make this recipe at home. So I've taken a fish head marinated with salt and turmeric and shredded the cabbage, carrot and green chili. Taken it in karai and put the fish head, brown both the sides perfectly. Cook potato till golden. It's done. Remove. Now put cumin seeds, some onions, saute for some time with tomatoes. Stir it. Put the cut shredded vegetables, cabbage and carrot, juliennes. Put the lid on. Remove the lid. Then add salt, turmeric, coriander, green chili, slit green chilies. Stir for some time and the fried potatoes. To keep on stirring so that it doesn't catch up the bottom of the pan. I put the fish and break it, disintegrate and then stir it so that the flavor of fish, everything reaches everywhere. I put little sugar, little spring onions and I'm stirring it. Before finishing, I'll put little rice flour. The name of the dish is cabbage with fish head ghonto. This is basically ghonto. In ghonto we generally put little of rice flour and sugar at the end, and when it is done I am putting little coriander and the presentation is happening now. So if you like the video, then please like, subscribe and share my channel to your friends and families, and I've given the ingredients and procedure at the end. So that's all. Thank you for now. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.